What's up, guys? This is Glenn from South Africa and welcome to the channel. This is week 13 update on minoxidil. Let's get to this, man. What's up, guys? Thank you for watching the video. First of all, I would like to thank everyone who watched my videos and everyone who subscribed to my channel, man. I don't have much subscribers, but those who subscribe, thank you. And if you want to watch my videos, continue to see my beard journey, you can subscribe to my channel anytime, anywhere, and help me or help this brother to grow this beard together, man. You can also leave a comment on the comment section, or if you don't have nothing to talk about, I really appreciate if you leave a thumbs up, like them. So yes, man, this week, let me see, I didn't do much at all, man. I didn't do much at all. A lot of things that I do or that I did this week, it's what I usually do. I demerol once, I took my supplements every day, I applied minoxidil twice a day, and also I applied the moisturizer after 4 hours on my face, which is Jamaican black castor oil. Anyway, so yeah, other than that, I've been noticing people treating me differently, since my beard is growing. I've been seeing some different behavior towards me from different genders, different ages, and also different people in general. So, but anyway, that is not the reason why I grew the beard, or I wanted to grow a beard. From my first video, the main reason why I want to grow a beard is this gentleman. Yes, look at that beard, man. It's glorious. By the name of Common, by the way. This is Common. Anyway, yeah, man, that is the reason why I wanted to grow a beard. But let me just show you what you are here for, man, which are the gains. So this is my mustache. My barber messed it up, so I decided to trim it. So it is growing, man. It is growing. And under the lip, yep, and my weaker side, yep, growing as well as usual, and my stronger side still growing. Still have that patch there where I demerol and apply a lot of minoxidil, and under the chin, yep, I'm struggling there under the chin, guys. As you can see, I don't have a lot of gains under the chin, but I ordered the 6 months supply of Kirkland minoxidil, 5%, obviously the liquid version, and I can't wait, man, to finish these 3 months and start another 6 months journey with minoxidil. All in all, it's gonna be 9 months, man. 9 months. I still feel like I haven't done nothing yet, man. I'm ready for this. So guys, yeah, man, if you want to grow a beard, you know what, you should buy yourself some minoxidil, apply it, check whether it's gonna be harmful for you. If it's not, then you can continue and apply it. So guys, yeah, man, I don't have a lot to talk about this week, only the updates. So thank you guys for watching, and also thank you guys for liking my videos. And also, if you want to see more of my videos where I talk about my journey, where I update my journey on my beard growth, please subscribe to my channel. And thank you very much for watching, guys. Glenn from South Africa. Until next time, cheers.